Hi, class. So, our story today fits right along with our devotional, Hiccups for Elephant. Hiccups for Elephant, written by James Preller and illustrated by Hans Wilhelm. It was nap time, and all the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant, he had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the elephants, all the animals fell back to sleep, except for Elephant. Achoo! Hiccups for Elephant.